What if I told you this entire product commercial was generated without filming a single shot? Crazy, right? No camera, no studio, no expensive lighting setup. Just an idea, a product, and Flova AI. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daniels. In this video, I will show you exactly how I turn a simple product concept into a cinematic commercial in a few minutes. We will do it together. I'll take you through the process step by step. Let's see what Flova AI can actually do. First off, before we get started, there are two ways this can be done. One is the easy way, and the second one is the professional way. In the first method, the AI does absolutely everything for you. All you need to do is upload your reference pictures and it's going to do the rest. So first thing we're going to do is open our Flova AI platform, and then we're going to move forward. You're creating a new project. Create a new. For you to successfully generate a video here, you're going to go through these few steps. The first one is going to be a storyboard. The next one is going to be the key element, and then you go to a point where you can generate your shots. So we're going to click on this little plus icon here, and then we upload 7 reference pictures. Once you're done uploading, select the scale. For this video, we're going to select product video. We're just going to write a simple text with this provided attachment. Then AI is going to do its thing and come up with a few questions. If you look at this side of the screen, you're going to see a storyboard here. First question is, what kind of aspect ratio do you want? Do you want a widescreen? Do you want a portrait video? You definitely do a widescreen because we're going to do a TV commercial. So it's going to ask you the tone. So basically all you're going to do is just to click, choose what tone you want. Do you want a bold energetic tone? Do you want a natural? Do you want a fresh tone? Do you want a fast tone? Whatever kind of tone you want for your advert, you're just going to click here. I'm just going to pick bold and energetic here. So it's going to ask you if you want a voiceover, or you're just basically going to answer a few questions, and then you can see the video plan that it has for you. So once you give it the command generate, it's going to build a storyboard. So after creating a storyboard, it's going to ask you if it should go ahead and create a visual reference. Two questions here. Either you want to create a visual reference or you want to refine the storyboard. Here we don't want to refine the storyboard, so we're going to go to create visual reference. So when it's done, as you can see, it has generated pictures according to the storyboard it generated for you initially. After this, we're going to give it a command to generate the video. If you look at the key element side of the video, you can go here and edit every single text right here. But we're not going to do that here because in this method, one, we want to see how good the AI is in generating its own personal ideas. So we're going to leave it be how it is, and then once you give it the command, it's going to start generating the video from the pictures it has generated. How do you download your files? How do you get your files? You go to the little top icon right there that says export. Once you click on export, you're gonna see varieties of ways you can export. You can export with Premiere Pro, you can export as file, but once you click that, it's gonna automatically zip your file and download it to your computer. So I'm gonna go to my download folder and zip it, and you can now take it to your editing app and put your videos together. So the next step is gonna be the step for the big boys. Then you don't want AI to do anything, you wanna be in control of whatever is going on here. So this time around, I'm not going to upload directly to where we have the chatbot. I'm going to upload my files to the unsorted media because I want it arranged. I want to name them because I'm going to be generating it clip by clip. I'm going to be giving specific prompt to each reference picture so that I can stay in control of my video generation. You know, one thing you want to watch out for is the little plus icon. Click it, bring your videos down here. Now we have our reference pictures uploaded. So after uploading to the unsorted media, I'm gonna rename each of the reference images and save them into my asset folder for ease of recognition when I'm using it in the chatbot. Pick our AI model. For this method, I'm gonna use a Seedance 2.5 as a video generation model because I wanted to see how far I could push the AI when it comes to creating cinematic commercial quality footage. I'm particularly interested in its ability to understand detail prompts, create realistic camera movement, and produce natural motion. So rather than use any other AI model, since there's a new integration in this Flova AI, I'm going to put the Seedance 2.5 through a real world test, creating an actual cinematic product commercial. Let's see what it can do. Let's move ahead. After doing that, I'm going to choose the scale, and the scale pro obviously is going to be product video. And after that, we go to the asset library, pick one of the reference image and put it up there. So normally I would have basically added a prompt with it, but I didn't want to because they're still gonna ask me some questions to confirm what I really want of this project. So I'm expecting more questions, like to make it understand what projects I'm trying to build, specifically if I want to build a portrait or an horizontal kind of video. So I'm expecting questions, so I don't want to just dump in everything there. and do it 2 times. So I'm just gonna wait for them to ask me the question, and then I write my prompt. It's asking me if I want to make it 30 seconds. I don't want a 30-second video, that's too long for a single video, so I'm gonna go with 8 seconds or 12 seconds here. I'm just gonna pick 12 seconds here and then ask it to generate. You're gonna have to give it a few minutes to do its AI thingy. And boom, it's done generating. One thing I forgot to point out is that this video comes in 480p, but you can scale it up to 1080p. This is how it's done. Simply just click where you find the 80 icon, then you can change it to 1080p, change the time interpolation. For me, I'm gonna use 60 frames per second because I want that slow motion to be buttery. This is gonna cost you coins too. I wanna have a crispy quality video, that's why I'm doing this. You're gonna do it once again. Select the picture, write your prompt, select a scale. One thing I like stressing in the prompt is that I want a standalone video, so you can try that so you do not add multiple shots to your video. Then boom, you have your generated video. Most of the time you might have this problem. For this shot, the skin was totally off and this looks very gross. Instead of generating everything at first, there is a regenerate button, and it's gonna cost you less credit to do this. So I'm just gonna come back here, edit this media and regenerate it again, and then boom, it's corrected. Do this for all your event pictures, generate nice cinematic videos, take it to your editing app. For me, I'm using Premiere Pro. Good enough, this comes with sound effects, which if you don't like, you can change them. If you like it, you can keep them. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how I created this cinematic product video with Flova AI. Honestly, AI is changing the way we approach video production. What will normally require cameras, lighting, and location, and a full production crew can now be created in minutes with an idea and the right prompts. The real question is not whether AI can produce impressive visuals. It's how creatively you can use it. Let me know what you think about the final result in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out for now.